Alright everyone, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about when to switch bias, okay? In this video, I'm going to be showing you my profit I made today on NAS 100. Unfortunately, I put two buy signals out there this morning looking for the market to push up. We had another rough, choppy action when the bell rang, and we immediately needed to switch buys. Otherwise, there would have been no trade today, or we would have ended up taking a loss. So you need to read the charts. You need to read the trend. You cannot get married to anything. You have to switch buys. So today's profit, ending the day with basically 13,000. I did take two losses yesterday on Forex pairs. Basically got stubborn, held one overnight. So could have been a bigger, better day if I didn't take yesterday's two losses with the Forex pairs. Overall, I'm still green on the week, $13,000 in profit just off of today's trade. I did put the signals out there for the members in the Telegram group. So kind of frustrating day, like I said. US 30 looking for this one at a buy at 39280.49 with our areas of take profit, and then NAS 100 looking to buy this at 18098.98 with our areas of take profit. Now look at this one pre-market. Basically the same thing as yesterday. US 30, let's start with this one. US 30 was selling off yesterday. Pre-market looking for a bounce, looking for this one to basically push up. Did not happen. Basically sold off all day long and then sold off even more throughout the night. Pre-market basically consolidated here, sold off even more. So came to the market. Okay, this thing's been bleeding out hardcore basically 2 days in a row now. Looking for this one to have some sort of bounce, right? Put the buy alert out there, put my buy pending order out there. Did not hit. This one just kept dropping and selling off, especially when the market opened. So I was like, all right, well, screw this one then. NAS 100 basically looking for the same exact thing, right? NAS 100 was a little bit better yesterday because yesterday we did sell off. We had a nice little pop. Then we had a big sell off after that. We are basically in this channel selling off pre-market, hours before pre-market. At this point, looking for this one to do what? Looking for this one to bounce, have a nice little push up. This one did push up. It did fill my order. And then immediately we weren't getting that push, right? I was negative 300, plus 300, negative 600, plus $50. So I was like, all right, I'm not feeling this one. Decided to cut it off. Immediately because US 30 started selling off here, because US 30 started selling off, I was like, all right, well, this isn't looking good. If we're not getting that volume, we're not getting that momentum, if we're having a true tug of war battle, then I need to basically switch bias. So then I basically told the Telegram group selling NAS 100 at 180798. Okay, so at this point, I'm looking to sell NAS 100. The area that was basically this wick, where it was basically trending around this wick, right? The low wick of the candle at that moment. I was like, all right, let's look for the sell at that area, have a nice flush down for areas of take profit 1, 2, 3. Sure thing. What happened? There it is right there. This is exactly what I was talking about, right? We had this wick right here. This is where it was kind of confusing because if you look at the chart here, right, we have these big bullish wicks, basically showing you that the buyers are coming in here. Buyers are coming in here and they're pushing it up. They're pushing it up. They're pushing up. But there's not enough strength. There's not enough buyers to basically push it up, have that nice little squeeze up, which I was like, all right, well, if it starts to come down towards this wick area, this is going to be our sell alert signal, looking to sell it here and then hit take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, in which you'll see what happened here is I jumped in twice with this one, take profit 1, 2, and then basically we did hit take profit 3. At that point, I was looking for it to basically drop even harder below take profit 3, but she started to basically push back up and I closed out both my trades. So you need to really look at the chart, guys. You can't fight it, okay? A lot of people try to fight it. A lot of people like to be like, no, it's going to go up. It needs to go up. I need to be in this trade. I'm not going to cut this trade off. I'm not going to respect my stop loss. I'm not going to respect my rules. The market's wrong. I'm right. It's got to push up. Trust me, we want it to push up, especially when it's telling us it's been selling off, selling off, selling off. You're like, what the fuck? Okay, stop the selling off. Let's start to get a push back to the upside. But if it doesn't do that, then it's like, all right, you know what? I'm going to cut it. Obviously, it's looking really weak. US30 is our confirmation because US30 dropped off so hard. I was like, all right, well, fuck it. NAS 100 is going to follow a little bit. Even if it doesn't follow all the way, it's going to follow a little bit. And there's a good chance if NAS 100 starts selling off, US30 might pop. If US30 pops and then US30 stops popping and it starts selling off again, then NAS 100 might basically do the complete opposite. So, nonetheless, not 100% happy with the way the market's been this week. Like I said, yesterday, market kind of sucked. We did make good money on NAS 100. I went a little bit heavier with size today. Should have went heavier with sizes yesterday, but I didn't. So it is what it is. But again, you guys need to understand when to switch buys. Hopefully this video helps it educates you. My next video, I'm going to be talking about the launch of Trade Locker's desktop app platform, which is absolutely amazing, super, super clean, really user friendly. So stay tuned for that video. Hopefully this video helps you guys, gives you, motivates you, inspires you in some shape, way, and form. Click the very first link below this video, guys, to sign up with the same broker as me, as they're going to be offering the copy trading very, very soon, which means that people, a selective amount of people, are going to have the option to link their account to mine. So anytime I make a trade, it makes the same trade on their account. This is going to be fully automation, which means that you'll never actually have to place a trade again. I basically do all the legwork. Every time I make a trade, it makes the same trade on your account. If your account is the same size as my account, that basically means you're going to be taking the same size as me, where to the point where you could be having $1,000 to $15,000 days as long as you have the same amount in your account as I do. If not, then basically you're not going to be able to take the same size as me. You're going to be able to take a percentage size, but nonetheless, you're still going to make profit. So again, they're going to be launching that very, very soon. I've been telling people over and over and over again that I said, hey guys, Trade Locker is going to come out with the platform for the desktop. There it is. Next is the copy trading. So again, click the very first link below this YouTube video. Hopefully you guys like it. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Or remember, nobody goes broke taking profit. Cheers.